Hello friends, welcome back in one more video, and today we are going to discuss subject-verb agreement. So before we talk about anything in detail, let us understand what is subject. So definition of subject is doer of the action or word that performs action becomes subject. When we add who plus verb and whatever answer comes becomes subject. Example, Ram challenges Raju for fight. Here who challenges? Verb is challenge plus who. Answer will be Ram, and that is why it is subject. Now definition of verb. Action of sentence or whatever happens in the sentence becomes verb. Remember, when we add what plus subject plus do or does, whatever answer comes becomes verb. Ram challenges Raju for fight. Here subject is Ram. What Ram does? Answer will be challenge, and that is why this is verb. Remember, in sentence correction, generally subject and verb are not close to each other, and that is why there are many rules. So we will discuss first approach. What should be approach for subject verb agreement? First of all, we should spot verb, and after that we should apply rules, and then spot subject, then elimination option or options. Rule number 1. Remember, there will be series of subject verb agreement videos, and this is the first video for subject verb agreement. So first rule is before first preposition. Look at sentence. It says empirical analysis of a specific acquisition strategies offer. What is verb here? Offer. And before offer there is phrase. Here comes rule number 1. Whenever there is phrase before verb, if there is phrase before verb, remember phrase means what? Group of words with sense but without subject and verb. So whenever there is phrase before verb, subject will be before first preposition. What is preposition here? Of. So whatever comes before preposition will be subject, and that is why here analysis is subject. So subject is analysis, verb is offer. Analysis singular, offer plural, and that is why it is incorrect. It should be offers, and that is why option A out, option B out, option C out. Why? Because all three are offer, and that is why option D becomes best option. Why? Because whenever we add verb plus ACS, it becomes singular. So singular verb, singular subject. At last, when there is phrase before verb, subject will be before first preposition. First preposition from beginning part, from starting part. So people, there will be series of subject verb agreement videos. This is part 1. After that, we will go to part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5 and part 6. So keep on watching, keep on enjoying, keep on learning. If you like this video, please do write something in comment box, and yes, like, subscribe and share. Thanks for your patience.